The universe is vast and mysterious. It is filled with billions of galaxies, stars, and planets. We humans have always looked up at the night sky and wondered about our place in this grand cosmic dance. One question that has always intrigued us is, how will it all end? Scientists have proposed several theories about how the universe might end. These theories are based on our current understanding of physics and the laws that govern the cosmos. While we don't have definitive answers, exploring these possibilities can be both fascinating and thought-provoking. The end of the universe is a concept that has captured the imagination of philosophers and scientists alike. It makes us confront our own mortality on a cosmic scale and contemplate the ultimate fate of everything we know. One possible end to the universe is called the Big Rip. This theory suggests that the universe will continue to expand, and the expansion will accelerate over time. This acceleration is driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. As the expansion accelerates, galaxies will be pulled further and further apart. Eventually, the force of dark energy will become so strong that it will overcome the force of gravity. This means that galaxies will be torn apart, followed by stars, planets, and even atoms themselves. The Big Rip is a dramatic and violent end to the universe. It is a scenario where everything we know is ripped apart into its fundamental components. Another theory about the end of the universe is called the Big Crunch. This theory proposes that the expansion of the universe will eventually slow down and reverse. Instead of expanding forever, the universe will begin to contract. As the universe contracts, galaxies will move closer together. They will collide and merge, and the universe will become denser and hotter. Eventually, everything will collapse into a single point, known as a singularity. This singularity would be similar to the one that existed at the moment of the Big Bang. The Big Crunch is a scenario where the universe ends in a way that mirrors its beginning. It is a theory that suggests a cyclical nature to the cosmos, where the end of one universe could lead to the birth of another. Section 4. Heat death. The universe fades away. Heat death is a less dramatic but equally profound end to the universe. In this scenario, the universe continues to expand forever, but the expansion gradually slows down. Stars will eventually burn out and new stars will cease to form. The universe will become darker and colder over time. As the universe expands and cools, matter and energy will become more evenly distributed. This means that there will be no more regions of high energy and low energy, no more stars and planets, just a uniform soup of particles spread out over an immense, cold and dark expanse. Heat. Death is a scenario where the universe ends not with a bang, but with a whimper. It is a slow and gradual process where the universe fades away into a state of maximum entropy, where nothing more can happen. Section 5. Vacuum decay, a sudden end. Vacuum decay is a more speculative and unsettling theory about the end of the universe. This theory is based on the idea that the universe might not be in its most stable state. Instead, it could be in a false vacuum. If the universe is in a false vacuum, it means that there is a lower energy state that it could transition to. This transition could be triggered by a random quantum fluctuation. If this were to happen, a bubble of true vacuum would expand at the speed of light, destroying everything in its path. Vacuum decay is a sudden and unpredictable end to the universe. It is a scenario where the laws of physics as we know them would cease to operate, and the universe would be fundamentally transformed. These are just a few of the many theories about how the universe might end. While it is impossible to say for sure which theory is correct, exploring these possibilities allows us to contemplate the vastness of the cosmos and the mysteries that it holds. As we continue to study the universe and uncover its secrets, we may one day have a better understanding of its ultimate fate.